NX8, NX-CAE introduces over 200 projects that extend solution capability and maximize productivity. This video will show highlights for some of the new simulation capabilities available in NX8 CAE. What makes NX-CAE unique from all other preprocessors is how it integrates high-end analysis modeling with strong geometry capabilities. The result is productivity benefits that can drastically reduce the amount of time you spend preparing and solving analysis models by up to 70%. For example, in NX8 CAE, Siemens has expanded its defeaturing toolset so analysts can easily suppress holes in sheet bodies. This capability is used in cases where an analyst may want to ignore holes that don't contribute to a model's structural behavior. Another new geometry-related productivity benefit available in NX8 for CAE is the ability to create geometry faces on orphan meshes. This capability helps you bring legacy FE models from bulk data files to life, allowing you to edit and remesh legacy data in ways that weren't possible before. You can import a bulk data file, create a surface on the elements you want to edit, add new geometry, and finally remesh the model. Ultimately, this allows you to reuse existing models more easily and save overall modeling time. Creating the fluid domain for CFD analysis from complex geometry, such as the inside of this electronic device, presents another unique geometry challenge. In NX8, you can quickly and easily create the fluid domain through a new capability that wraps the complicated interior geometry. You quickly end up with a fluid body geometry that you can then mesh and use for your CFD analysis. More than just a finite element pre- and post-processor, NX-CAE also incorporates embedded solvers for structural, thermal, flow, motion, or a number of other types of analyses. In NX8, NX-CAE extends its embedded solution capabilities to include topology optimization and facilitate even easier coupled thermomechanical analysis. New in NX8, topology optimization brings simulation to the earliest stages of conceptual design and can help you reduce component weight before you even begin your design. Starting with an FE model of the design space, the solver computes a raw optimum conceptual design based on the loading conditions and your objectives. NX-CAE seamlessly passes the raw conceptual results to CAD designers as geometry, which they can then further refine to create an optimum design right from the first try. In the areas of thermal and structural analysis, NX-CAE introduces the ability to conduct multiphysics thermal mechanical analysis by coupling NX Thermal with NX Nastran. Coupling is made easy within the integrated environment and eliminates data transfer errors. This is useful to analyze thermal contact problems that will also have impact on structural performance, such as an aero engine design for the seal and casing. The results here show bending of the structure due to thermal loads, which then also affects heat transfer as the seal comes into contact with the casing. NX-CAE facilitates systems-level simulation through its ability to efficiently model and solve large analysis problems. In NX8, NX-CAE enhances systems-level analysis through use of superelements within FE assemblies and adds parallel computing to its flow solver. A superelement represents an FE component as a reduced set of degrees of freedom. And in NX8, you can include superelements into complex FE assemblies. Including superelements reduces the degrees of freedom for the complete system, which results in solver efficiency gains that can lead to quicker turnaround times. Another benefit of reducing components to superelements is the ability to share sensitive data with external partners without disclosing the shape or geometry of the component. Solving large CFD problems, like this water jacket example in a powertrain cylinder head, can take time. To speed solution time, NX8 introduces parallel processing to the embedded NXFlow solver. Distributed memory parallel, or DMP computing, spreads large CFD simulations over a number of processes to speed solutions by 10 to 20 times. NX8 delivers maximum simulation productivity. Use NX-CAE for smarter decisions and better products.